And the bird returns again. The bird is fascinated with you, I think. Hey, let's see if we can feed it something. Where'd he go? No, come here, little birdie. There you go. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it has babies over here. I hear them. I hear them. There's a nest in here, nephew. We must find it. Yeah. Let's find the nest. Where's it at? Somewhere in here is a nest, buddy. I can hear it. Right there. Got birds in it, too. I heard the babies. Hold on, buddy. We're gonna find it. We're gonna find that nest. It's over here first, so let's look over here. Come on, buddy. Now I hear a damn squirrel lapping at you. Where's it at? No, no, that's the mama bird. Okay, she knows that I was looking at her nest. You got babies in here, nephew. We must find them. All right. Somewhere in here, nephew, is a nest. But I don't see it, buddy. I heard the babies a second ago. Aha, there it is. It could be it over there, but I don't think it is. The baby's in here. Let's see, where's it at? It could be that little thing up there. What are you doing? What is that noise you're making there, buddy? I hear the mama bird get mad. I'm looking. Huh? Yeah. Now I found it, nephew. It's right back there. I can see the babies in it. So let's see if we can get to it with a camera. I knew there was a nest. Look at them. So this is the kind of bird, nephew, that it eats the food and regurgitates it. Yep, that's what those are. For sure. All right, let's see what we got here. We got 3 of them in the nest. Come on, little babies. Look, nephew. Where the heck are they at? I don't see them. That mama may attack me in a second. Here they are. They're wanting food. They're babies. Nephew. Come on. I see them. They don't even have feathers yet. Oh, yeah, there they go. They're hungry. Cool. I found them, nephew. I got them. I knew there was a nest.